Hi people, this is a flower. This is a small flower in my garden. We will see in this flower in microscope. Microscope old video links are given below. I card is up. It has pollen and petal, stigma, etc. We also made microscope videos earlier. There we already seen ant, salt, thread, blood, bacteria, etc. This is a tulsi flower in my garden. We are also checking this in microscope. Now we took these two flowers in specimen bottle. Now we have here specimen bottle, slide, glycerin, our slip, etc. and a microscope. So we can see flower inside the bottle. Now I am preparing a slide. For that I am taking collector flower and placing it on slide. Now I am adding glycerin. Cover slip is placed. Make sure there are no bubbles. Now the slide is prepared. Keep the prepared slide under the microscope and adjust focus of length. We are watching in 100x. Now we are watching filament of the flower. Anther is attached to filament. Now what we are watching is anther. This is a long filament of anther. माइक्रोस्कोप में फूल का एनाटॉमी अच्छा दिख रहा है. अच्छी तरह स्लाइड प्रिपेयर करो और माइक्रोस्कोप में खूबसूरत नज़ारा देखो. पिछली वीडियो में एंट, सॉल्ट, एक्सेट्रा दिखाया था. This is a beautiful anther of flower. Heart-shaped thing in flower is anther what we are watching. ये एंथर है, ये फ्लावर का फिलामेंट है. We are watching now petal of flower. Under the microscope, it look like this. It's look really beautiful. This is another anther of flower. We can also see stigma and stylus of flower. Micro world looks beautiful. Using microscope we can see beautiful micro things. We are watching anatomy of flower. This is sepal of flower. Now we will make tulsi flower slide. Take the specimen. Put it on slide. Now keep cover slip on it. Use glycerin. Put slide under microscope. Adjust the lens. Let us see in 100x. ये कोई मकड़ी नहीं है, फूल है. This is a petal of flower. This is sepal of the flower. These are filaments of flower. This is stigma and stylus. This is dried anther. So we can see anther clearly. This is a tulsi flower. This is small flower. Under the microscope, it is looked like this. This is a beautiful view. We can see sepal and petal. Microwell is beautiful. When we see under microscope, for clear view, we are adjusting lens. We can see clear filament. I enjoy this view. We also made other microscope videos. Please watch. Links are given below. Like, share and subscribe. My name is Akshit.